Hi, hello, welcome friends. Welcome you all to Moneymax Academy. Thank you for watching our videos. Thanks for giving our continuous support. Thank you. Thank you all. So today we are going to learn about how to send a mail automatically. How to send a mail automatically. Suppose I am giving example. You have the data. Suppose you have the person to send a mail, simon@hotmail.com. You want to send a mail. If you click, what you have to do, you have to go to the Outlook and then you have to type everything and then you have to send a mail to all. But instead of doing this, we can use automatically by formulas. What are the formulas are available? Please listen carefully. Suppose, what is the first thing? If you want to send a mail, what do you have to do? Suppose go here, go directly to the Outlook and send a mail. Directly go to the Outlook and send a mail. This is one method. This is one method. So how to send an automatic email Excel? The Excel has been attached automatically and then you can send a mail whoever it may be. Suppose you can have a mail ID of Sendil Kumar. Okay, you can send it like this. So this is a one method. Now you don't want to do like this. You can do like this and you can use hyperlink formula. Suppose you want to send a mail to kavi@hotmail.com. I'm going up and then I'll see it. Okay. kavi@hotmail.com. Now what do you want to do? Control K, shortcut key for hyperlink. Control plus K, shortcut key for hyperlink. What we have to do? We can give Control K, shortcut key. We can give you the email address. We can give the email address one by one. Suppose I can give, what is the mail ID? kavi@hotmail.com. Now, if you want to give the subject, what is the subject you want to give? So you have to type the subject, welcome. Welcome. That's all. I'm just giving you. And then what is the things we have? It is not available, not required. One second. Type the email ID. I'm giving small example, kavi@gmail.com, whatever it may be. Welcome. I'm giving welcome note. So if you give OK mean mail to Kavi and question mark, subject is welcome. Suppose if you double click here, automatically the Outlook has been opened. So mail to Kavi, subject is welcome. So this is a method we can use by hyperlink. So instead of doing hyperlink, Control K and then email address, typing everything, not required. We can, instead of doing this, we can have a formula. What is the formula? Yes, I am going to explain one by one. Please listen carefully, friends. This is really interesting one. Okay, now I want to do one by one. First one, I want to add the subject. I want to add the mail ID. Mail to Simon, number one. And I want to add the subject. Mail to Simon and subject is what? This is the subject. Welcome to the team. Second step. This is the step 1. This is the step 2. This is the step 3. This is the step 4. Clear? Now, if you want to add the mail ID, so you can use the hyperlink formula. You can use the hyperlink formula. mail to Simon, give the open inverted comma, concatenate ampersand symbol and send mail. Suppose if you click here, automatically one Outlook has been opened. You can see the mail goes to simon@hotmail.com. Number one. Okay. Second thing, you want to add the subject. You want to add the subject. Now the same, you can copy paste the thing and then you have to add the subject by using a question mark. Question mark subject equal to welcome to the team. So subject is coming down. So you can click like this, use the dollar symbol. Clear? Now if you click here, you can go to the Outlook. You can see add subject. Subject, 1 second, something wrong. So what is the wrong one? So we have to give the dollar symbol for what are the absolute thing. Dollar symbol, number one. Now we can give it dollar symbol for B6. B6 and dollar symbol. Put the dollar symbol. So if you click here, you have sent a mail to Simon and subject is welcome to the team. So automatically you can send a mail. Now, third one, if you want to add a CC, if you want to add a CC, you want to add the CC to your boss. So what you have to do? You have to do one by one. So first one is B6 dollar symbol, then subject B4, we can put the subject is B2, we can put the dollar symbol, and CC B3, we can put the dollar symbol and send a mail. Now you can click here, you can see the mail. Send a mail to simon@hotmail.com, CC to boss, subject is welcome to the team. Now, fourth step, if you want to add the body of the mail is, it's great to have you on our team and we hope a wonderful start. So what we have given here, so what are the things you have to correct? So this is the B6 correct, dollar symbol. Subject is B2 correct. CC B3 correct. Body B4. So everything correct now. Okay, now you can click the mail. You can see mail to Simon, to CC to boss. Subject is welcome to the team. Body of the mail is, it's great to have your team. We hope you have a wonderful start. Now you can send a mail. So this is the automatic mail. We can send an automatic mail by clicking this. Suppose this is the final one. Now you can copy paste. You can copy paste wherever you want. You can add the mail ID only. Suppose you can add the mail ID ram@gmail.com, raghu@hotmail.com, ravi@yahoo.co.in, whatever it may be. I am giving only 3 examples. Now what you have to do, everything you have fixed, but here you have to take the mail ID, mail to what? This. That's all. Now you can copy paste, you can see the formula, you can send a mail. Just you have to send a starting mail. That's all. So from our mail ID, ram@gmail.com, CC to boss, welcome to the team. It's a great to have you on our team. We hope you have a wonderful start. Now I am giving another example. Suppose you want to split the data into two. We can give percentage 0A. Now what is the difference? You can see now. What is the difference? You can see now. The data has been folded. So first sentence and second sentence. This is the use of automatically send a mail to the mail ID. So now you can create a mail ID. What do you want to, suppose now you want to create new one. I can give an example. Okay, I want to send a mail to Mr. Raja at the rate of gmail.com. What do you have to do? We have to create hyperlink. Okay, open the inverted comma, mail to colon, and close the inverted comma, mail to whom. So you want to select this mail ID and ampersand symbol. Clear, close the inverted comma. First part is over. I have added the mail ID. Okay, now you want to add the subject. So for subject you have to give the question mark. Subject equal to, open the inverted comma, ampersand symbol. What is the subject? If you want, you can type here itself, or if you want, you can fix it by the separate cell. What is the separate cell we are having? Subject is welcome to the team. Close the inverted comma, ampersand symbol, and close the inverted comma. Clear? Subject, open the inverted comma, close the inverted comma, and you want to add CC. CC equal to, open the inverted comma, ampersand symbol. What is the CC data? This ampersand symbol, close the inverted comma. Clear? Now you want to add body of the text. So ampersand symbol, body equal to, open the inverted comma, ampersand symbol, select the text, ampersand symbol, close the inverted comma. Clear? Now everything we have fixed. Now we have to give the comma and open the inverted comma, close the inverted comma, send email. I'm giving just example. Send email, close the inverted comma, give the bracket. Now you create a one shortcut. This is the formula. Hyperlink formula. So if you click here, automatically the mail ID has been opened from my Outlook to Raja, CC to boss, welcome to the team. This is a sentence. So you can send a mail. Okay. So we can send an automatic mail. Suppose you have to send 1,000 number of people. So what do you have to do? You have to copy paste. I am giving a at the rate of gmail.com. I am giving lot of mail ID. Okay. Now I have to create one mail ID. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. I am having 26 mail ID, for example. Okay. What do you want to add? At the rate of everything gmail.com. Okay, I can concatenate this into this. This is the mail ID. So what we can do, this at the rate of close ampersand symbol. Okay, now this is the data creation. Now you want to copy paste. Yes, I have removed all the formula. Okay, I have created the mail ID. I have created the mail ID A, B, C, D. I have created 26 mail ID. Okay, now you want to do, now you want to send the same concept. You just copy, and then before to copy, you have to give the dollar symbol wherever you want. So dollar symbol, because body, text, everything will not be changing, no? So we can give the dollar symbol for all. Clear? Now you can copy paste. So if you have 10 lakhs data, you don't worry. You can have a 5 minutes data. Now the data is ready. If you want to send a mail to 26 people, okay, you can send a mail here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can select the mail to a@gmail.com. CC2 boss, welcome to the team. That's all. You can send it now. You want to cross check for O. You can create o@gmail.com, CC2 boss, welcome to the team, everything we can do. This is the hyperlink formula. So this is the usage of hyperlink formula. I hope you all enjoyed the videos. Henceforth, you can use the hyperlink formula for your day-to-day activities. Thank you for watching this video. Please do practice at your home and in your day-to-day work. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.